Hi dear viewers. Welcome to Learning Physics and MCQ. Diopters are handy to use because if two thin lenses are placed side by side, the total power will be equal to the focal length of a convex lens is positive, therefore its power will be in mirrors, the image are formed through reflection, but lenses formed through a converging lens become a magnifying glass when an object is located it. A diverging ray lens always has the same ray diagram which formed a the image formation by convex lens when object placed beyond to F is the image formation by convex lens when object placed at focal length is the image formation by convex lens when object placed inside focal length is a lens with longer focal length will be in simple lens camera the distance between lens and film is fixed which is equal to the concave mirror is used to reflect light back in the image can see clearly by normal eye at the distance of according to magnifying power equation that a lens of shorter focal length will have in compound microscope, the objective lens has a shorter focal length if not which is to see very small objects using compound microscope, the distance between the objective lens and the eyepiece is greater than Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel Learning Physics and MCQ. Goodbye.